Hi everybody, this is, whoops, sorry, focusing on our spot here. This is the Math 20-1 Radicals and Absolute Values Review. This is question 43A. Sorry, I completely focused on the wrong question there. Now solve each of the following equations algebraically. Now, this is typically not going to be on the exam, not algebraically, but if you've got two absolute values here, let me just show you really quickly what we're going to do here. First of all, I want to know where this is equal to, I want to know where, for what value of x this is going to go to 0. Okay? Or actually, I want to think of it probably a little bit more specifically. I want to know for what values of x the absolute value of this won't change anything. That will be where 4x is greater than 1, x is greater than or equal to 1/4. I also want to know where x minus 3 won't get affected by the absolute value, and that's going to be where x is greater than 3. So what this does is this splits up our number line into 3 regions. I've got 1/4 and I've got 3. Sorry, you can't see that. So now what we're going to do here, if I am to the left of 1/4, that means that the absolute value is going to change that 4x minus 1. So it'll be negative 4x minus 1. And that will equal, now because to the left of 1/4 is to the left of 3, that will be negative x minus 3. And so the equation I get here is negative 4x plus 1 is equal to negative x plus 3. Maybe I bring the 4x over to the other side here, so it's 3x. Bring the 3 over and I will get negative 2. So negative 2/3 is equal to x. Now, is negative 2/3 less than 1/4? Yes, it is, so that's the correct answer. Okay, that answer works. Now let's take a look at what happens when I'm in between those two. When I'm to the right of 1/4, 4x minus 1 will be positive, so it doesn't need to be changed here. So this will end up being 4x minus 1, but because I'm still to the left of 3, this will end up being negative x minus 3. So 4x minus 1 will equal negative x plus 3. I'll maybe bring the x over to get 5x is equal to, bring the negative 1 over, so I'll add and I'll get 4. So x is equal to 4/5. Is 4/5 between 1/4 and 3? The answer is yes, so that answer works. Good. Then we check what happens when we're over here, where both are positive. 4x minus 1 would then equal x minus 3 without any necessary changes to the question. Bring the x over and I get 3x is equal to negative 2. X is equal to negative 2/3. Well, that is not in this interval greater than 3, so that's not the correct answer. The only two answers are negative 2/3 and 4/5.